Bazala bami zitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bami zitho, it's about uMsamseleko ne-fifth wife yakhe, which is uMakhwela. Guys, I'm so happy for uMsamseleko. I wanna lie, I'm happy for uMsamseleko. I think I even sound happy for uMsamseleko. So today's episode, guys, I think it's episode 24, if I'm not mistaken, with season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, since this season has started, I have been feeling sorry for uMsamseleko, because one thing bekayenza ukhala, and it seemed like le unit ayifunayo efamily ayiyenzeki, and the only thing that is happening is amakhosikazi wakhe ayamfeyila. They are trying so hard ukumzwisa ubuhlungu, but today's episode we've seen uMusa hleka, we've seen uMusa happy, the old Musa. And I, for one, guys, I wanna lie, I'm happy so that uMusa happy, because naye indoda, guys, naye umuntu, he deserve a break, guys. So we know that uMusa himself is finally lobolad or paid lobola for uMakhwela, which is the fifth wife. You know that there were other women or other wives who were saying should uMsamseleko pay ilobola for uMakhwela bazohamba, but it seems like abahambanga, because up until to date they are still posting with uMusa. We've seen them in events, kuma-event bahamba noMusa. So I think bebasho nje ukumthusela, but uMsamseleko uchubekile, wachubekile walandela amazwi wakhe and paid lobola for uMakhwela. So today, guys, uMakhwela no Musa, they went to a picnic, and it's where uMakhwela gave uMusa a present, guys. The present, it was a pregnancy test confirming that uMakhwela is pregnant. We don't know the gender of umntwana now, but any gender, I don't think ibaluleke kangako. Into ebalulekile ukuthi uMsamseleko igoli yakhe ukuthi abe nabantwana abayi-20, iphupho lakhe ukuthi abe nabantwana abayi-20, and at least kuyakhuphuka, understand. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi ucela into ethize ungayitholi. At least if umuntu ufuna abantwana abaningi, I don't see anything wrong, guys. I, for one, I don't want abantwana abaningi, but if umuntu uthi yena uthanda ukuba nabantwana abaningi, yinto ethandwa uya ngithi. So uNkulunkulu ngiyajabula ukuthi uNkulunkulu umphendule uMusa, and ayikho into engenze nje ukuthi ngijabule to see uMusa happy. This episode uMsamseleko was very happy, and you could see that into ebaluleke kakhulu ku-relationship yakhe noMakhwela is that Makhwela makes uMsamseleko happy, which is a very important thing in a relationship. You should date someone okwenza happy, someone ok-appreciate-ayo, and someone ok-acknowledge-ayo, you understand. Date someone ojabulayo ukuba nawe ujabule ukuba naye, not ukuthi kubonakale ngathi seniyenzelana ama-favor, because kulamanye amakhosikazi kaMusa now I just feel as if abanye bahleli noMusa just because of the kids, abanye bahleli noMusa just because ngabe yenzela uMusa ifavor, noMusa sakahleli nabo just because akafuna ukuthiwa wahlulwa isithembu. Akusalisekho uthando, no, unless this thing act. But if this is a true thing, you could see that uMayeni akekho happy, you could see that uMangwabi akekho happy, and uMangwabi uyasho naye ngomlike ukuthi I'm not happy, but I understand ukuthi bahlelelene, and these two wives yibo abangekho happy, yibo abanama-careers. I really don't understand ukuthi bahlelelene. I really don't understand. I do love Mayeni. A lot of people know that I do love Mayeni. I'm a Mayeni fan, but I just feel as if like Mayeni ukhathele uMusa noMusa ukhathelo Mayeni, and sometimes I feel as like uMusa uthanda uMayeni ukundlula the way Mayeni athanda ngakhona uMusa, and it's normal, guys. A lot of women or a lot of wives, but masebabadala, especially if lokha nisaqala ukuthandana, emjolweni wenu or othandweni lenu kube nezimpi eziningi engathi masebakhula le nto le iyabuya ukuthi hayi man, lo muntu lo uke wangenza kanje. Remember uMayeni uke wathi uMusa washada uMacele basazwana, but uMusa uthi bebahlukene, uthi yena wezwa ngomuntu ukuthi hayibona ngumyeni wakhe uyashada. Esinye isikhathi uMusa washada unkosikazi wakhe lwana wandlula emhlabeni. Akho uMayeni, understand, you dated this person, you are the first girlfriend, but you are the third wife. Iyashaya nayo lento le, ubuye ucabange now she just had ukuthi uMakhumalo njengoba bekahlala wayeselotsheliwe yena thinking that no, usisi uyasiza landle, kanti no, usisi unkosikazi kaMusa, and njengoba bekahlala bekasakhishela inkomo. Abo wonke lawo manga lawo ayabuya ayenze isilonda enhlizweni, and sometimes it's best ukuthi nibuyele ku-family counselling or marriage counselling nihambe i-therapy. And it's also best ukuthi as unkosikazi esikuwo ubuhlungu uhlale phansi. If counseling is not working, i-divorce is the only thing, guys, even if ingane zizincane. But I am so happy for Makhwela and Musamsolo lie. I'm wishing them all the best, and I just can't wait to meet umntanabo. And I'm looking forward to see uthando labo ukuthi libabeka. I just pray ukuthi uMakhwela would understand ukuthi umusa undlule kuphi ukuthi yena abe kula family, would understand ukuthi umusa forced ukuthi yena abe khona, and appreciate umusa hlala society lamusa. I'm not saying avumelane nomusa in the wrong things umusa sure, because umusa unabo wrong abaningi, but guys, at the end of the day naye umuntu ufana wonke umuntu. Say uyindoda, because even nabafazi bayabenza wrong, and even nabafazi bayazisho izinto ezirong emshadweni. But bazalwane bami, so that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.